Hello valued customers, esteemed subscribers, this is Ison Company addressing you. In this video we will be conducting a review of the Ison Ip50El-P wireless IP camera, ladies and gentlemen. We had numerous reviews of this camera. She has been doing it for approximately 10 years already. As soon as Wi-Fi technology became widely available, this camera started being produced right away. She was in various versions. Initially 2 megapixels, then 4, currently 5 megapixels. And here we have a brand new video review showcasing the most recent updates from the year of 2023. So this is a wireless surveillance camera. The cool thing about this camera and all wireless cameras in general is that there's no cable between the camera and the DVR. And don't forget, you gotta hook up the camera to the power supply. First off, I gotta say that the power supply doesn't come with the Wi-Fi cameras. You gotta buy it separately if you're putting together your own system. The manufacturer doesn't know what kind of power supply you're going to use, so they don't include it. If you desire to connect something outside, you will require an outdoor power supply unit. Alternatively, if you have an indoor installation and you require a more powerful power supply unit to connect it inside the building, you will essentially need to pull a cable from the power supply unit. So that's all purchased separately. Also, Ison has ready-made video surveillance systems called Ison Air Pro Max. These are pre-assembled kits that contain all the necessary items for these cameras to function properly. These are power supplies, this is a dash cam, this is a hard drive, these are all components. Such a convenient option. Took it out, plug it in, everything works, everything is set, no need to configure anything. I will provide an answer to a commonly asked question. What is the range of Wi-Fi for surveillance cameras? This parameter does not depend on the surveillance cameras, it depends on the distributing device. It's either a router or a DVR. I'll answer about dash cams. In ready-made video surveillance systems Ison Air Pro Max, there is an Ison NVR08WP recorder under unobstructed conditions. For example, the conditions of a perfect vacuum. The camera can work up to 150 meters. If there are any obstacles, we tested these sets in the conditions of a regular private house, up to 3 walls there. So Wi-Fi is capable of handling up to 3 walls without encountering any issues or difficulties. If you possess your own sharing device and router, you should examine the parameters of this router. It is more convenient to take and test since you have control over the device and router. To understand the distance at which this camera will work, switch it at a suitable location in relation to your router. In accordance with the norm, the package consists of fasteners designed for the camera itself, accompanied by a hex key for making adjustments, protective caps, and the original Ison box. The camera is an outdoor one. Or rather, it's a universal one. You can use it both indoors and outdoors. The camera is equipped with the option to connect a microphone. The camera's shooting quality in this location is the best for 2K resolution. A camera with 5 megapixels, 2K resolution, the best matrix, and a good high-quality processor. E-CLED shooting of the latest generation is not based on R5 diodes, the problem of which is burnout by the end of the first year of operation, but it is precisely the modern E-CLED backlight. Smart tech, built-in motion sensor, adjustable sensitivity, set sensors triggering area. A wide-angle lens of 2.8 mm providing a 120-degree field of view without distortions or fisheye effect. FPS is the biggest, 25 frames per second. Basically all the best technologies are on board here. Camera modifications, 5MP, 4MP and 2MP. For questions, ask managers or leave a comment. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to not miss the latest video. Contact us for more info. Don't miss out on the latest video. Subscribe now.